You see barcodes everywhere, but in less than 2 years, they'll be replaced. And most businesses are not ready for this. By 2027, barcodes as we know them will be gone. And today I'm going to show you exactly what's replacing them and the tool that smart businesses are already using to stay ahead. I'm Phil Pallen, a brand strategist, and this is where I help you grow your brand with smart, practical tools. Today we're diving into something big, the GS1 Digital Link and Sunrise 2027. Sounds technical, but I'm going to break it down for you in minutes. This video is sponsored by QR Tiger, but like always, I only work with tools that I genuinely use and recommend. So let me show you why this one matters. Let's start with the basics because this shift is already happening behind the scenes. So what exactly is Sunrise 2027 and why should you care? This is not just a barcode upgrade, it's really a full-on shift in how products connect with people and systems. Here directly from the GS1 website, they're the organization behind the standard barcode. They've launched a global initiative to phase out 1D barcodes and replace them with 2D QR codes that do a lot more. And here's the official global joint industry statement. You're seeing this shift happen now in 48 countries, covering 88% of the world's GDP. All the top organizations, big names in retail and manufacturing like P&G, Nestle, Carrefour, and L'Oreal are all backing this transition. This new format is called the GS1 Digital Link, and it adapts based on who's scanning. So a shopper, a cashier, a warehouse, or even a customs agent. With just one scan, you can access everything from product ingredients and sustainability info to inventory data or regulatory compliance. By 2027, retailers will need scanners that can read both ID and 2D barcodes, and manufacturers will need to include GS1 standard QR codes on packaging. This is about transparency, traceability, and trust. And it's happening whether you like it or not. Big brands are already using these QR codes, and not just because they have to, the use cases are really powerful. Here's how GS1 QR codes are already being used across different industries. In retail, scan a tag and instantly see sizing charts, reviews, or even limited time discounts right from your phone. In food, it's all about transparency. One scan gives you farm-to-table data, allergens, and even sustainability info. In healthcare, these codes help fight counterfeits by linking directly to verified dosage instructions and expiration dates. And in logistics, they're tracking product movement in real time, batch numbers, expiry dates, inventory status, all in one place. It's a single QR code, but what shows depends on who scans it. That's the power of GS1 Digital Link. So why switch? This isn't just about compliance, it's a better way to run your business. I'll show you. Here are some real-world benefits for both businesses and consumers. You can update a product's info without reprinting packaging. Consumers get instant verified product details right from their phones. Businesses get better inventory tracking, quality control, and anti-counterfeiting. And you can keep your existing barcodes, layering in QR codes gradually. I get it, this sounds a little complex, but it's actually not. QR Tiger makes it incredibly simple to generate GS1-compliant QR codes. Here's how to create a GS1-compliant QR code. First, choose Extended Version by default or go with the simplified version if you've got an EAN code. For this example, I'll stick with Extended. Next, you'll enter your GTIN, that's your Global Trade Item Number, and add any extra details like batch number, serial number, or product variant like I'm doing here. Next, you'll choose your output, link, file, product page, or app store. We'll stick with URL and then select Generate QR Code. And if you want, you can customize the design, the pattern, eyes, logo, colors, and frame. All of that is customizable. Remember, it's always a good idea to scan your code to test it just to make sure that it works properly. You'll choose your desired format to download it, and that is how easy it is. And because it's dynamic, you can update the link or product info later without ever reprinting packaging. So great. So let me give you a quick tour of the platform so you can see exactly how easy this is to implement. Obviously, this is a new account, so there's not much activity yet, but imagine how useful this becomes once data starts pouring in. This is what the user experience looks like on QR Tiger. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, nothing overwhelming or overly technical. You can organize all of your QR codes in one place with folders for different products, campaigns, or clients. There's also a full analytics dashboard here showing total scans, location, time of day, and device type. Perfect for tracking performance, testing campaigns, or monitoring monitoring supply chain engagement. If you need help, there are tutorials and resources built in, so even if you're a beginner, you'll pick it up quickly. And best of all, it scales, whether you're a small startup or a global enterprise. So this is where barcodes are headed. Faster, smarter, more transparent. Sunrise 2027 isn't just a deadline, it's more of an opportunity, and QR Tiger makes it easy to stay ahead. So try the GS1 QR code generator yourself, linked in the description. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll be replying to each and every single one of them. And if this helped, hit like and subscribe. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.